All right, hang on. Ah, fuck. There you go. All right, just try and roll it from there. All right, just back up a hair. Well, more than a hair. A couple feet. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go passenger and then go up. You're just hitting your diff on a rock. You're not gonna get anywhere doing that. Just try and move your whole Jeep over to passenger. Keep going, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. I'm probably right about there, and then just go passenger. All right, just do that again, come more passenger.
Is it the rear now?
Yes. I mean, if you go, I mean, I don't know what's on the driver's side, but there's a nice line on the passenger side here. You just have to get to it. And the passenger side of the boulder you're hanging up on is smaller, it looks like. Correct. It's all right. Just keep coming back a little bit. Back and driver. A little bit more. Keep going. You can try and go passenger and forward now. Just go a bit passenger. A little bit more. There you go. All right, you fell back into the same spot you were in, so try and go back again. Back and driver. A little bit more. All right, right there. Go more passenger. A little bit more. Right there. Yeah, I mean, you don't need to hit it, but yeah, just try and get some momentum. All right, you slid right back into the same spot again. Let me look and see what's on your driver's side.
I got a lot of space over there.
Well, I mean, if you got a lot, then go that way. All right, just try to roll through that line. All right, if you want to try and go back more and get yourself a little bit more to the driver's side. All right, right there, give it just a whole bunch of driver, as much driver as you have room for. This has some just really oddly shaped rocks that are designed to grab your car. I would say just back up a hair. Just go more driver. There you go. All right, go driver from there. Okay, well, that'll work. There you go. You might have to roll through it, but that looks like a good line. There you go. You go passenger now.